Alright, I've got to start out with an epilepsy warning. If you're epileptic, turn this off now, or you're going to have a seizure later. If you're not epileptic, keep watching. This is really neat. This is my second PC build. First one was a long time ago. Nothing this cool was out back then. So I'm going to start with the motherboard here. It's Aorus. You can't see the name, but it's in there, I promise. There's the logo, which you also can't see, but again, it's there, I promise. We've got the Cooler Master motherboard fan for the heatsink. It's an RGB, programmable. With this little guy here, you can play with the light intensity, which for some reason doesn't show up on this setting, but you can play with the colors. Cycle dos, got a whole bunch of different options. And you can play with the cycles. So this one cycles the lights. I'm not going to narrate all of them, I'm just going to boop through them. That's a single light that you can then pick a color. This is the same thing, single light that just blinks, you can pick a color. This is the cycling light, I believe. No, I think that's the one we started on. There we go. That's the rainbow. I'm going to turn that intensity down a little bit. Now I'm going to come out. I'm going to pause and go around to the front. And we're back. Okay. So here's the front. We've got 3 rainbow settings. Sorry for the shakiness, by the way. I'm super shaky and I'm trying to hold the camera still with just one hand. Now this one doesn't have intensity settings, it doesn't have cycle settings, it's just the options and then they do what they want. So this one cycles through the colors. Until you get to solid color, they all just cycle through the colors. I think that's the solid color there. Then it cycles through your solid colors, they pulse on and off. Then we're back to the rainbows. And now I'm going to pause again. I'm going to move over to the keyboard because that's super neat. Alright, we're going to go back to shakiness because again I've got to do this with one hand. This is what I thought I was getting. It was just a light up keyboard that you can turn the light on or off. That's what I meant to get. Here's what I actually got, which I'm actually really glad I got. Logitech gaming keyboard. Now, there's a lot of different settings here. There's settings for controlling what keys will do what commands. You can set some macros for your keys. You can, hang on, go over here. You can turn certain keys on or off during gaming mode. You can pick which keys will light up during gaming mode if you want to. You can do different cycles of lights. This one's called breathing. A star effect where they twinkle. You can do a light wave. This one's center outward. You can do left to right, top to bottom. Play with the speed of it. And you can do it so it just lights up when you press a key. I'm not going to show you that. Now, I hopefully have not changed my setting. But here you see you can light up just certain keys if you want to do the WASD and your numbers, if you just want to light up your letters. Now, I like just having the keys lit up. Like I said, that's what I wanted. Now, there is, hang on, one more option. Where'd it go? Oh, that's right, it's back here. So now you can set certain keys for, that's gonna be hard to see, but for certain games, we've got Counter-Strike, Discord, which isn't a game, it's a chat thing, Dota 2, which is a game, I guess. Now, this software is for both the white light only keyboard and the RGB keyboard. I've got the white light only. This is the extra setting I wanted to show you. This is the audio visualizer setting. It's essentially a graphic equalizer on, if you think of the old stereos that the lights would go up and down as the bass or the treble pumped up or down. And I'm going to show you that with Daft Punk song here. If I can pick that, set it to on, start applet, and we're going to go to Daft Punk. Sorry for the shaking, I'm bobbing my head along to the music. Now, for copyright reasons, obviously, I can't put the whole song in there. I probably have already exceeded the limit, but shh, don't tell anyone. Thanks for watching.